Sparks here. Dang, bro. Why is it so dark? Let me redo that real quick. Hey guys, Cooking Sparks. Today, see these? These can go! Ramen. I'm sorry, little box of Lucky Charms, but nobody likes you. That's for another video. Let's close that up. Okay. Let's make some spicy ramen, boys. Aha. So you see this? Hold up. Dang it, bro. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's stop doing Gordon theme. Not Gordon theme, but Dragon Ball. Sink! Sink, sink, sink. That is. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, there we go. I said, give me my case. See this knife? It is very, very sharp. So what you do, you put it in the case, then you yank. Yep. Gone. JK, it's just right here. Oh, why is my video so cringy? Why do I have cringy content? Oh, it's because I'm just cringy. Yeah. JK, the box over here, but. Ow! Ooh, 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 ooh. Why is my content so cringy? Okay, first, move the bowl out the way. This is a ramen pack. That actually worked karate chopping it. Now you take your bowl and you pour out the contents. gang. What am I doing? Alright, hold up. Now let me take you guys over here. And then you take your tap water. You go. Boom. Now, bring you over here. And then you put it on exactly 2 minutes. Finally, Jesus Christ. And then you throw away everything except this little packet. So let's keep that there. Oh, that's the bed. Wait. Hold up. Commercial time. I wonder what to do for a commercial. I mean, I have exactly, well, not exactly, but like, I was kind of something. Yes. Do you guys like popsicles? Oh, wait a minute. Do you like popsicles with gum on the inside? Well, it's a blow pop commercial. Get your blow pop today, boys. Why did it flip? I'm gonna dead stare you for the next 5 seconds. Oh, how's your day been? Microwave always wanna interrupt my conversations. You wanna interrupt my conversations? Here, have 30 more seconds. Dang. Thanks, Jesus. That was good orange juice. Okay. Alright. Ow! It's just 10 minutes and I haven't even finished yet, bro. no. Always use one of these. Oh. Why would I touch? Is that? Did you see? Hold up. Play that back. Play that back. Dang, man, I was stupid. Get away from my lunch. Now. Alright. Now, what do you think you need to have spicy ramen? Think you need the chicken flavor? Do you think you need organic strawberry lemonade? Or do you think you need chicken flavor and hot sauce? Okay. I'll give you a couple seconds. And I'm going to do this theme because if I actually put the theme in, it's going to be copyright. So. Okay, yeah, stop that. Okay, correct answer is D, chicken flavor and hot sauce. Let me get that hot sauce. Let me get that hot sauce. You know I got that creamy peanut butter. That peanut butter. Dang. Try to give me a heart attack. Jesus Christ. We don't waste food in this house. We don't waste food in this house. Boom, just add a little bit. This is gonna be way too hot, but my dogs love it, at least. Right? Dang, bro. They don't like my cookies so much that they didn't even show up to this video. Ooh, I got my Skippy peanut butter. Okay, gotta go. I got my break. Okay, gotta go. I gotta go. Hey. Let's just stop. Okay. Let's taste this real quick. Delicious. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. I'm doing a YouTube video. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Not real big, we pick it up.
Yeah, you're right. Yep.
He's gonna be wings.
No, I made ramen.
Uh-huh.
I made ramen.
Doing what?
made ramen, and I made a YouTube video.
Okay.
Yeah. So good. Hickory dance. I will add music to it, just so you know. Probably will. Recipes, but I hope you like this video, and when I'm done with doing my work, when I'm upstairs, when I'm doing my work, I will be doing double upload. Why do I have to be so cringy? So I will be doing a double upload. And a double upload will be the story mode to Red Dead Redemption 2. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a good horse ride. Why am I so cringy? Ooh, it's so delicious. Yum. It's so good, guys. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna go upstairs. Finish my work. Oh my. Do that double offer for you guys. So, if you like this, click the like and subscribe button. And see you guys next time on Spark Gaming and cooking. Cooking with Sparks. Peace.